Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. Let me tell you a secret. You don't need to work 8 or 10 hours a day to earn $20 or even $100. You can earn $100 in just a few seconds. And to do that, you won't be needing any special skills or experiences, as this method is so easy that anyone can do. And the best part is that it doesn't matter which country you're from, anyone from anywhere can do it, because it's available worldwide. All you need to have is your computer, laptop, or smartphone and an internet connection to get started. So in this video, I will be showing you a free tool and several websites that will help you make money online on Autopilot. Make sure to watch this video until the end, as you really don't want to miss any steps I'm about to show you. But before we start, welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so we can keep you posted on the latest videos on how to make money online. Then you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video on how to make money online, and you can get started right away. Give this video a big thumbs up, and please let us know if you have any questions or comments about the video. Then just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. As I said earlier, during this video I will be introducing you several websites and a very cool tool that you can use to make money. With all you need to do is just draw some lines and click on a view buttons, and you will earn $10 in just a few seconds. I will also show you some proof on how other people are earning money with this method that I'm about to show you now. The first thing I want you to do is to go to this website, peopleperhover.com. The next step you need to do is to click on this search bar here and then select search offers. After clicking it, it will take you to this next page where you can see services offered by freelancers. But I would like you to search for a specific service. Just type in background removal to this search bar here and click on search. Now you will see a variety of background removal services offered by other people, and here you can see that they are charging about the $10 to $30 for this service. That's a good amount of money, don't you think? And these people offer that service from all over the world, so this means it doesn't matter which country you're from, you can also make money with this method. And this website, people that come to this website are looking for this specific service and are wanting to have a background removed from specific images, but they really don't know how to do it themselves. This is why people come to this kind of websites and pay others for service like that. Now imagine how you could be able to make money with this method just by doing the same thing as the people on this website are doing. But don't worry, you don't need to have any skills to do that, as I will be showing you a free tool that you can use to remove backgrounds. But before we continue with this video, comment down below from which country you're from. In that way I will know exactly where I'm from, so in the future I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. I would now just click on this offer right here. As you can see that this photo editor has been doing this kind of job over many years and has been working on several platforms. You can also see that he has received the highest rating percent in over 300 reviews. That's a very good achievement. You can see that he charges $10 per hour. Some of the freelancers are charging even $60 for this kind of service. Thus you are just starting. I would recommend lowering your price to $10 or $20 per hour, but it's all up to you. So for one image you could earn $10, but for 10 photos you could earn $100 or even $200, and each photo will only take a few minutes or even seconds to do. Now let me show you the next page where you could earn $40 without even doing any work. I need you to go to ourguru.com, and in here, where is the search bar, choose the lean background removal and click the search button. Then on the next page you will also see a variety of freelancers who are offering background removal services. This website is similar to peopleperhover.com that also pays you for the service you want to offer on their site. So I would recommend you to create the free account to both websites I just showed you and post your job offer. But next I will show you this free tool that you can use to remove the background from the images. So just keep watching this video. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now I want you to go to this next website, clippinmagic.com. This is the website where all the magic will happen. As on this website, I will show you exactly how to use this tool to remove the background from images. The best part is that this tool is absolutely free. Isn't this amazing? I now want to demonstrate on how to remove a background from an image. You can just drag the image from your computer or smartphone to here, or you can just upload it from your device by clicking here. Next, you will see your uploaded image. I just picked out this image. The first thing you need to do is click on the screen button here, and with this tool you need to draw a green line on top of the photograph section that you want to maintain. But if you want to retain this curve in here, then follow me. You just need to create grid lines on top of the photo just like this. I'm just drawing a few simple lines on top of the photo to mark all the areas you want to save on the photo. And once you have completed connecting the green line, then click on the red button here to connect the red lines on top that you want to remove. Eventually you will see how the background disappears and becomes transparent as it should. And once you have finished editing your photo, then just click on the download button here to save the image to your device. And after that you can submit the done image to your clients on peopleperhour.com, morakuru.com, and charge as much as you want. Finally, I would like to introduce you another free software that I like even more than Clipping Magic. It is much better as it's a lot faster than the previous one. Let me show you. Just go to your browser and fill in remove. This tool is 100% free, and it will automatically remove the background from the image in just a few seconds. This means you don't need to put any work to it at all. You just need to click on one button and boom. And if you want, you can also add other images to the background that you just removed. As you can see here, let me show you how this software works. Drop your image in here, or you can upload it right from your device. After that, it will look like that. Then background was removed just in a few seconds, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else. You didn't even need to draw any lines, as the website did anything for you automatically. You can simply click on the download button here to save the image to your computer or smartphone. So this is just another website you can use, and I truly recommend it as it's much easier and faster, and you will save a lot of time. And that's it. This was a step-by-step video on how to make money online on Autopilot. Thank you for watching, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to Digital Master Creator channel and click on the notification bell. Also hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.